Hey, all about fishing with Big Kev. Hey, went out to the farm today, finished up the boat. It's in pretty good shape. We even took it for a test drive. So check out the video. Hope you enjoy it. And please like and subscribe.
As you can see, the front deck has newly carpeted lids installed. They turned out really nice and look amazing. Safety chain was added to winch in case the winch strap should give way. Main floor was installed and seat bases added. Boy, what a difference this made. Front deck installed with new seat base. A new back curtain was made and installed to isolate the fuel cell and battery. A new Minn Kota Edge 55-pound thrust trolling motor was added, and now it's starting to look more like a fishing boat. Took the boat out to the local state lake and gave the new motor a spin. Boy, what a quiet motor those 4 strokes are. Mercury 50 horsepower. Boat ran very solid. Motor break-in was started, varying the RPM, and smiles were everywhere today. Well, everything worked as it should. Live well filled up and boat ran solid. Trailered real easy, and time to take it home and give it a check over and clean up. New tires will be installed along with a spare, and wheel bearings checked as well.